Hi guys, in task 1 we've been recording through drawing. All these drawings have fed into your general ability and understanding to render. Now we are moving on to a design task. Now this involves taking elements that we've previously drawn and new things we might still go on to draw and arranging them. We're going to do it onto a plate of food. We will use transfer techniques. Now here I have something, it's hard to see, it's quite light. It is essentially greaseproof paper. It's called baking parchment. And you might find it in the kitchen. It's worth speaking to your parents. Sometimes it is slightly brown in colour. That does not matter. It can be used for tracing. As you see, I've just put it over the top of my drawing of the prawn, and with the pencil I can draw over the line and I can see through it. I'll only do a little section for you. And you can see there's the images it's been transferred. My next transfer technique is using a window as a light box. It's a lovely sunny day outside, so you can see quite clearly I've got this taped to a window. I'm using a piece of masking tape. You might not have masking tape at home. If you don't, you can use sellotape, but the adhesive qualities of sellotape are much more sticky than masking tape, and it might tear the edge of your paper. What you can do is you can take some of the sticky stuff off by handling the tape, putting it on a piece of fabric, just getting some fibres on it, so it will just reduce the amount of stickiness. Then it can just be used to tape your paper onto the window. That would be absolutely fine. Once my image is secure on the window with tape, I can put a piece of paper over the top of it and you can see through quite clearly. This is cartridge paper. It's a bit thicker than photocopy paper. If you're struggling to see through it, it might be because there's not enough light coming through from outside, or that the paper you're using is a little bit thick. See if you can find some of this thinner photocopier paper around your house, because this is actually ideal for this task and it won't matter when you do your transfer drawings. I would just tape it in place now along the top, and then I would draw over the images.